Hello everybody! So for today's video is papunta kami ng isang Filipino restaurant dito sa Korea para mag-dinner. Actually guys, we don't often eat sa mga Filipino restaurant dito dahil I don't know, nagbago na guys yung panlasa ko. So very Korean na yung panlasa ko. So mas masarap na para sa akin yung Korean food rather than Filipino food. But today, hubby insisted for us to go in a Filipino restaurant. And at first, I was like, why suddenly he wanted to go to a Filipino restaurant? So, guys, nakalimutan ko that today is our 9th wedding anniversary, guys. So, wala akong kaayos-ayos kasi nakalimutan ko siya, guys. I totally forgotten. Actually guys, naalala ko naman siya nung first week ng August. Sabi ko, I will prepare something for the 9th anniversary nga. But I didn't notice that it was already 2 weeks. 2 weeks has already gone by and today na pala. So I totally forgotten. And normally guys, kasi ako talaga yung nakakaalala. So ako yung nagpe-prepare. But this year, I totally forgotten. Buti naalala niya. And we had arrived guys dito sa restaurant. Bali, this is just 30 minutes away from our house. So, nandito na agad tayo. So, nung medyo madami-daming tao nung dumating kami kasi Sabado ngayon and madaming mga customers. So, we waited like 30 minutes bago kami nakakain. But the wait guys was sulit kasi sobrang sarap. Even si Honey nag-enjoy siya doon sa chicken and sa fish. But one thing lang guys that they are quite unusual para sa kanila yung kumakain using your hand with the plastic gloves. So nanibago sila. So but after a while they get used to it and they ate well naman. For almost 9 years guys is parang nawala na yung sarili kong panlasa because I always choose their food over mine. So laging sila yung priority. And that is maybe the reason why nawala na yung sarili kong panlasa. Nasana yung panlasa ko na kung ano na lang yung kainin nila, yun na rin lang yung kakainin ko. So all throughout these years, I thought masarap na para sa akin yung Korean food over Philippine food. Pero today hindi guys, mas masarap pa rin talaga yung pagkain ng Pinoy. So siguro wala lang siya, nakalimutan ko lang kasi laging Korean food yung kinakain ko. So nasana yung taste bud ko sa pagkain nila. But no, Philippine food, hinahanap ko pa rin siya, masarap pa rin siya para sa akin. So, yun yung realization ko guys for today after 9 years of marriage. Sometimes, piliin nyo din yung sarili nyo para hindi kayo mawala throughout the relationship. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! And see you on the next videos.